How to prevent razor bumps in the pubic area.
Razor bumps, also known as pseudofolliculitis barbae, can be an irritating and uncomfortable side effect of shaving. They occur when hair grows back into the skin, causing inflammation and redness. Today, we'll discuss the best method to prevent razor bumps in the pubic area.
What causes razor bumps in the pubic area?
Razor bumps are caused by a combination of factors, including skin irritation, ingrown hairs, and improper shaving techniques. The pubic area is particularly sensitive due to the coarse nature of the hair and the delicate skin.
How can I prepare my skin before shaving?
To minimize the risk of razor bumps, it's essential to prepare your skin before shaving. Here are some tips to follow. 1. Trim the hair. Use a pair of scissors or an electric trimmer to shorten the hair, making it easier to shave. 2. Exfoliate the skin. Gently exfoliate your skin using a mild scrub or a wet washcloth to remove dead skin cells and help prevent ingrown hairs. 3. Soften the hair. Take a warm shower or apply a warm, wet cloth to the area for a few minutes to soften the hair and open up the pores.
What is the best shaving technique to prevent razor bumps?
The key to preventing razor bumps is using the correct shaving technique. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Use a fresh, sharp razor. A dull blade can irritate your skin and increase the risk of razor bumps. Make sure to change your razor regularly. 2. Apply a lubricating shave gel. Using a quality shave gel helps the razor glide smoothly over your skin, reducing irritation. 3. Shave with the grain. Shave in the direction of hair growth, not against it. This reduces the likelihood of hair growing back into the skin. 4. Don't press too hard. Use gentle pressure and let the razor do the work. Pressing too hard can cause irritation and increase the risk of ingrown hairs. 5. Rinse the razor frequently. Clean your razor after every stroke to prevent buildup and maintain a smooth shave.
How should I care for my skin after shaving?
Proper aftercare is essential for preventing razor bumps. Follow these steps after shaving. 1. Rinse the area. Gently rinse the shaved area with cold water to close the pores and soothe the skin. 2. Pat dry. Use a clean towel to gently pat the area dry, avoiding any rubbing or irritation. 3. Apply a soothing aftershave lotion. Use an alcohol-free, fragrance-free aftershave lotion or gel to calm the skin and reduce inflammation. 4. Moisturize. Keep the skin hydrated with a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer. To prevent razor bumps in the pubic area, it's crucial to practice proper skin preparation, use the correct shaving technique, and provide thorough aftercare. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth, bump-free shaving experience.